I'm Dr. Baine Craft, the chair of the Research Psychology program. Built into the program are numerous opportunities for you to collaborate with our team of faculty. Faculty mentorship will occur in three key areas of the program. First, in the classroom, not only will you learn from our research psychology faculty, but your electives afford you the opportunity to work with leading researchers in our clinical psychology, industrial and organizational psychology, and data analytics departments. Second, each research psychology student will complete and defend a final capstone project. Your capstone supervisor will not only mentor you through that process, they will also help you assemble your committee and prepare you for your capstone defense. Finally, as the purpose of the research psychology program is to equip you with skills you will need for an advanced research psychology career, we strongly encourage you to consider what practicum experiences would enhance your experience. There are opportunities to work with faculty in their research labs, serve as their teaching assistants in undergraduate courses, or pursue traditional internships. From application to graduation, our faculty are here for you both as collaborators and advisors.